Hello kids, greetings of the day and welcome to this new learning session. I hope kids you are doing your studies properly and completing your work on time. My dear kids, you have already learned about subtraction. Subtraction means to take away any number or any object from a group. So let us practice subtraction by these word problems. There are 22 coconut trees on a beach. 3 trees are short and remaining are tall. Find out the number of trees which are tall. Kids, total number of coconut trees equals to 22 and number of short coconut trees equals to 3. And to find out the number of tall coconut trees, we need to subtract 3 from 22. So let us see the solution of this word problem. First of all, we will write both numbers in ones and tens column. Here at ones place, we cannot subtract 3 from 2 because 2 is small and 3 is big. So 2 will borrow 1 tens from 2. 2 tens will become 1 and 1 tens that have been borrowed that will be regrouped as 10 ones. So here the number will be 12 ones and we will subtract 3 from 12 and 2, 3. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So at once we will write 9. Now let's come to tens place. Here we will write 1 because we have only 1 left there. So our answer will be 19, means the number of tall coconut trees equals to 19. Before moving to next word problem, first of all notice these words here. Short and tall. Short and tall are modifying word coconut trees, means they are describing nouns. So any word that describes nouns or modifies it, it is an adjective. So here short and tall are adjective words. Now let's come back to topic again and solve our next word problem. There are small and bushy plants in a garden. These plants have light and green colored leaves. Out of 55 leaves, 36 leaves are dark green in color. Find out the leaves that have light green color. So kids, as you know that total number of leaves equals to 55 and number of dark green colored leaves equals to 36. And here again we need to subtract both numbers to find out light green colored leaves. So let us see the solution of this word problem. Kids, first of all, note both numbers in place value chart. And here again what we observe that 5 is small and 6 is big. So we will borrow from 5 and cross out here and we'll write 4 here. And 110 will be placed at ones place and will be regrouped into 10. Then 10 plus 5 will be 15. And what we have to do now? We will subtract 6 from 15. Yes, and we will get 9. And then at the tens place, we have 4 tens. And we will subtract 3 tens, then 1 tens will be left. So our answer will be 110 plus 9 ones equals to 19. Means number of light green colored leaves equals to 19. And kids, once again, before moving to our next word problem, let us find out adjective words used here. Dark, light, green colored are the adjective words that are used in this word problem. Now let us move to our next word problem. There are 23 orange trees in an orchard. Out of 23 trees, 5 trees are small and do not bear oranges. Find out the remaining big trees that bear oranges. So, kids, total number of orange trees equals to 23. Trees that don't bear fruits or oranges equals to 5. So, if we want to find out the number of trees that bear orange fruit, again we need to subtract. So let us see how to subtract these two numbers. First of all, put both numbers in columns of tens and ones. 23 means 2 tens plus 3 ones. That's why we have kept 2 in tens column and 3 in ones column. And if we talk about 5, 5 is a one digit number. So we will keep it in ones column. And the tens column of number 5 will remain vacant. And kids, you are already aware that when we subtract, we start from ones place. And after ones place, we subtract tens column. Kids, tell me, is it possible to minus 5 from 3? Yes. No, because 3 is small and 5 is big. So we cannot minus 3 and 5. That's why we will borrow from tens place. And here 2 will give 1 tens to the ones column and it will regroup into 10 ones and then 3 will become 13. 10 plus 3, 13. Here at tens place, 2 has given 1 tens to ones. So here 1 tens will be left. And we will cross out 2 and will write 1 at the tens column. At ones, cross out 3 and write 13. Subtract 5 from 13. And we will get, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we will get. It means after subtracting 5 ones from 13 ones, we are going to get 8 ones. Now observe the tens column. Here at tens column, only 1 tens is left and there is no other number from which we can subtract 1 tens. So we will write the same number here and our answer will be, yes, 1 tens plus 8 ones equals to 18. It means the total number of big trees that bear orange fruits equals to 18. Now I hope kids you know what we have to do next. Yes, we have to find out the adjective words used here. And our adjective words are, yes, small and big. Very good. I hope kids that you have understood today's topic. Now it's time for some homework. Dear kids, you have to do this homework in your maths notebook. And here is your homework. Underline the adjectives in the following word problems and then solve the following. So kids, this is for today's session. I will meet you soon in next learning video. Till then, Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.